At Becker, we understand the importance of reliable and trustworthy spare parts that our customers can depend on. Don't be sucked in by the cheaper copies. Choosing original Becker spares isn't just a smart choice, but is also key to the long-term reliability, efficiency and performance of your pump. With fast response times globally, our extensive local stock guarantees swift availability and next-day delivery is available across our range. Initially, distinguishing between non-genuine spares and the originals isn't always obvious, but as time goes by, it becomes clear. With repeated repairs and inefficient performance, the production teams will also notice an increase in workplace noise. Pay attention to the Becker seal for ensuring authenticity. Your local team is available over the phone to guide you to the best possible solution for your pump. Alternatively, the Becker web shop is open 24/7 to place your order online. The major benefits of using Becker original spare parts are to minimise your maintenance costs, extend service intervals, and reduce your risk of breakdowns. Choose Becker original spare parts for reliability you can trust.